Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone. If Bluetooth is not working on your iPhone, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. So guys, in this video I will give you some steps that how to fix Bluetooth not working issue on iPhone. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to check Bluetooth settings. You have to open the settings, then go to Bluetooth and make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. If it's already on, turn it off, then wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. If this doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is enable your airplane mode and disable it. You have to simply open the airplane mode on your iPhone, then simply wait for a few seconds and then disable it back. This can sometimes or help reset the connections. You can access airplane mode from the control center, or you can go to simply on your settings. If airplane mode doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve Bluetooth connectivity issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, tap on general, go to shut down your iPhone, then wait for a few seconds and then restart it back. If restarting doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply forget the Bluetooth devices. If you are having trouble connecting to a specific Bluetooth devices, you have to simply go to the settings, then go to Bluetooth and find the device in the list. Simply tap on I icon, then tap on forget this device, tap on forget device and then try pairing the device again. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue and your Bluetooth still doesn't work, and then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to the settings, then go to general, tap on software update and check if there is an available update for iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and your iPhone's Bluetooth is not working properly, then our last step is to reset network settings. You have to simply go to the settings, go to general, tap on reset, transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix iPhone's Bluetooth not working issue. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.